Welcome to Luca is a Billionaire, where the only thing I invest in is your answers.
You begin by confirming you legitimately own the iPhone and gathering credentials, Apple ID, password, and the device passcode. Once done, connect the iPhone to the internet and unlock it. Make sure you can access settings and your Apple ID profile on the phone. This is required to remove stolen device protections properly. If you cannot access the account, stop and prepare the original receipt or serial number. You will need them for Apple support verification before proceeding further. You now remove activation lock by turning off Find My iPhone. Go to Settings, tap your name, then Find My iPhone, toggle it off and enter your Apple ID password when prompted. This step removes the stolen device protection tied to your account. If you cannot complete this on the device because you're signed out, sign in to iCloud. Calm with your Apple ID, select Devices, choose the iPhone, and remove from account. Make sure the phone is offline when you do this so the change propagates. Once Find My is off or the device is removed from your iCloud account, erase the iPhone to complete the reset. Settings right arrow General right arrow Transfer, or Reset right arrow Erase all content and settings. After erasing, power it back on and confirm activation lock is gone during setup. If activation lock still appears, stop and contact Apple support with the serial number and proof of purchase. They can remove the lock after verifying ownership. Do not try third-party bypasses.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.